To the north of our country, there is Nepal. And Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. And in Kathmandu, there is a hill, and on top of that hill, there is a Buddhist monastery and temple called Swayambhunath. After climbing many steps, when you reach the mountain, you can get a good view of Kathmandu city, lovely scenery. And at a regular time, there is prayer in that Buddhist temple. People have to sit on the floor, one side women, one side men. On a raised platform, a slightly higher stool, Lama, he is the head of that monastery, he sits. And behind him, all his disciples called bhikkhus, they sit. Then one row this side and one row this side. And some small bhikkhus sit in front. And there are gongs which they ring at different intervals. And their prayers begin. Their prayers in Pali language. And their prayers begins this way. Buddham saranam gacchami. Dhammam saranam gacchami. Sangam saranam gacchami. Buddham saranam gacchami. I surrender to Buddha. Dhammam saranam gacchami. I surrender to the teaching of Buddha, which is called Dhammam. Sangam saranam gacchami. I surrender to the followers of Buddha. We are Christians. What shall we say? Christam saranam gacchami. I surrender to Christ. And that is what Mother Mary did throughout her life. She surrendered unconditionally and totally to God and to Jesus.